So, highest and lowest sex ratio district in West Bengal. এটা হবে Darjeeling and Kolkata. So highest sex ratio is in Darjeeling and lowest sex ratio is in Kolkata. Next, who among the following could be said to be an open economy? Open economy की a nation that trade with other nations in good and service and financial assets. Next, select the correct statement. Transfer payment are included in the national income. Na. Depreciation allowance is a part of GNP. Taxes is not included in NNP. GDP means gross direct. Na. So option B হবে এখানে সঠিক উত্তর. Next, which bank in India ranked number 1 in India in term of market capitalization? এটা হবে ICICI Bank. Which of the following is union tax? এটা হবে corporation tax is the union tax. Next, which of the following tax is best example of ability to pay principal of taxes? The personal income. Next, government set up FRBM committee on fiscal deficit range. What is the full form of FRBM? The fiscal responsibility and budget management. Next, which of the following factor establish the importance of agriculture in the national economy? Higher share of industrial sector in GDP of the economy. Next, when the NFSM launched at the end of 11th 5-year plan, NFSM was launched. Next, which among the following doesn't belong to welfare scheme for farmers employee referral scheme? Next, when was Tata Iron and Steel Company found? 1907. Tata Iron and Steel Company found in 1907. Next, what challenge does the jute industry face in India? Competition from synthetic substitute. Who conducted the periodical sample survey for estimate the poverty line in India? It is a national survey organization. Next, which of the following is not considered as a social indicator of poverty? Less number means of transport. Next, the past 2 decades of globalization has been rapid movement in goods, service and investment between the countries. Next, the major factor that has stimulated the globalization process is rapid improvement of technology. Next, Indian Independent Act was passed on. Indian Independent Act passed on 18th of July 1947. Next, in West Bengal, how many times was the presidential rule has been declared by the president so far? So 4 times. ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলে 4 বার এখনো পর্যন্ত ইমার্জেন্সি ডিক্লেয়ার স্টেট এমার্জেন্সি ডিক্লেয়ার হয়েছে আর্টিকেল 365 আর্টিকেল 356. Next, the Constitution of India is neither purely federal nor purely unitary but the combination of both. Who said this? এটা বলেছিল ডিডি বসু. Next, in what way does the Indian Parliament exercise control over the administration? Through the parliamentary committee. Next, the power and responsibility of Panchayat Raj. Panchayat Raj instituted can be revised by the state government, by the concerned state government. So the power and responsibility of the Panchayat Raj instituted can be revised by the concerned state government. Next, 6th schedule of the Constitution of India contain administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Next, the concept of directive principle of state policy has been borrowed from the concept of DPSP Irish constitution থেকে বড় করা হয়েছে। Next, which of the following has been given the special response representation in the Panchayat Raj institution? এটা হবে woman. So which of the following has been given the special representation in the Panchayat Raj institution? Woman. Next, Article 25 of the Constitution of India related to right to freedom of religious. Article 25 says right to freedom of religious. Now, minimum age of an Indian citizen needed to be elected in Lok Sabha is 25 years. Next, the geostationary satellite has an orbital period of 24 hours. Maxwell is the unit of magnetic flux. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 nanometer. Humidity is the result of moisture content in the air. Next, boiling point of mercury is 357 degrees Celsius. Mercury, Hg. Boiling point 357 degrees Celsius. Next, an electric supply line in India. In electric supply line in India, which parameter is kept constant? The frequency. Next, when view the white light soap bubble show color because of interference. Now, the speed of sound through vacuum. The speed of sound through vacuum at 0 degree Celsius is 0. Vacuum এর মধ্যে দিয়ে sound যেতে পারে না। Next, isotopes have identical chemical behavior because they have same number of electron. Isotope, proton, so proton same থাকলে electron তো same থাকবেই। Next, in nuclear reactor, chain reaction is controlled by cadmium rod. Now, which greenhouse gas produced in agricultural feed? The methane. Next, which of the following set contain pair of elements that do not belong to the same group but show chemical resemblance? এটা হবে beryllium and aluminium. Next, which of the following is a thermoplastic polymer? এটা হবে nylon. Next, the ion is isoelectronic of carbon monoxide is Cn minus. Next, which of the following is used to remove the temporary hardness of water? CaOH2. By which of the following water gas oxidized oxygen? Fluorine. Next, milk of magnesia is chemically MgOH2. Next, branch of biology dealing with the study of fish is known as ichthyology. Next, the study of interaction of antigen and antibody in blood is serology. So the study of interaction of antigen and antibody in blood is known as serology. Next, litmus nature in dye. Litmus nature dye in obtained from lichen. Next, which of the following animal has no blood yet its reservoir is hydra? Next, ringworm in human. Ringworm in human is caused by fungi. Next, the Black Death wiped out 1/4 of the population of Europe in the 14th century was due to the epidemic of bubonic plague. So the Black Death was wiped out 1/4 of the population of European in the 14th century was due to the epidemic of bubonic plague. Next, oral contraceptive are prescribed in female to check ovulation. The medical termination of pregnancy MTP is considered safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? 12. Where did 9th BRICS Summit held from 3rd to 5th September 2017? Xiamen. এটা পুরনো একটা কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স। Okay. Next. Next, who has been appointed as the Union Home Secretary for fixed 2 year of nature? এটা হবে Rajiv Gauda. Next, which country has approved the first gene therapy for cancer in nation in USA? Next, which day is observed as World Meteorological Day is 23rd of March. The New Year festival of Maharashtra is known as Chaitro Desai. Next, the Kumbh Mela is held in how many places in India? Kumbh Mela is held in 4 places in India. Next, which is the smallest tribe in West Bengal? Is Toto. So, which tribe is the smallest in West Bengal? Is Toto. Next, who is the first woman defense minister of India? Is first woman defense minister was Indira Gandhi. Which dance from its performed which dance form is performed particularly in the Muslim community of Kerala? এটা হবে Arbonam